What's going on, everybody? Mr. and Mrs. Anthrax here. Welcome back to 7 Days to Die. So, on this episode, we're just going to do a couple of jobs. Well, probably just this job. And then maybe go loot some POIs in Dyersville. Let's get this baby started. Maybe. There we go. Alright, this one's out here. This one's like not even on the road. This one's out here in the middle of nowhere. I knew I heard you. Hang on. Get out of here. Sounds like there's something in that trailer. Cobblestone. I think we're past the cobblestone though, huh? Maybe. We'll get it on the way out. Oh, how did I miss that?
Don't let him hit me.
Oh, I wrecked him. You know what? I'm just gonna grab him real quick. Right here. And over there. Alright. Up we go. You got some whiskey in that jar, or what's up?
No.
Ooh, we got a birdie. Ooh, bada swing. Barbo. Got a splint. Leg's hurting. This way. Oh, we got a stripper. Whack! Hey, whoa. Don't be rude. That's how we say hi, man. Whack you on the head. Oh, you know what? Real quick, I need to fix my settings because for some reason the volume on this is just outrageous. Alright, let's go. Go like 39, like 29, 39. Alright, hopefully that's better. Don't be so crazy. Alright, down here. Whoop. Retro refrigerator, some miso soup. You so what? Whoa! What? What is that through the wall? Oh, it's a crawler. You little bastard. Better watch out, man. Jeez Louise. That was ridiculous. Some weight.
Yeah, I didn't
Cooking
want to
pot.
die, making sure.
Are you still really hurt? I don't think I have anything to heal you. I don't.
I'm
Got
55.
some eggs. Here. Oh, you're 55. I'm 51. Hey, you want some eggs? Huh?
You have boiled eggs?
No, I have bacon and eggs.
Oh.
That one left. It'll give you like 10 health. Whack-a-boo-fooza. Looks like a plug. Sure is. And a jar. Cool. Just telling my wife how much I love jars. Oh, this looks like the end of the line. Beautiful. But where's the supplies? Oh, there's a med kit in that broken box. Get that. And then
I'll save it.
crack a book. Oh man. Oh here, there's a hunter's book in there. And then there's 2 books. Actually, you know what? Take one of those books that's on the ground. You probably haven't read it yet. And then we'll get this.
I gotta rearrange my stuff. I'm not used to how.
Alright, what's in there? What is this? Impact bracing mod. Reduce fall damage. I mean, I guess that's cool, but can I put that on here? No, I can't even put those on my beautiful little pink shoes. Alright, I gotta find the supplies and we're done. Well, there's somebody out there that says otherwise, but don't mind him. Up on the top. How the hell do you even get up there? There we go. Got a sports bag. Ooh, nice. A helmet. Yeah, maybe you could wear that. Oh, man. Not mean to. Now my. There we go. Alright. So I got the supplies. Let's get out of here. Let's head over to the, back to the trader.
Let's go to mine.
Oh, let's go to yours. Yeah,
And
let's
then
go
the
to yours.
trader.
Where is yours? Can you show yours?
I don't know, you just follow him.
I follow you.
Right.
I
Here.
think if we share them with each other. Oh shit, where'd you go? Oh, right here. Okay. I think if we share them with each other, we both get the award. But that's okay.
I don't know what
Um,
the.
Go ahead.
Do you go to map?
Nah, just go ahead and start it up. Start up the quest. We'll figure it out. Did you start it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, come on, let's do this. Alright, I wanted to check this out. A bike chassis. Definitely use the parts from this. Iron and mechanical parts for sure. I did collect some coal earlier, so we're good on coal for a bit. Oh,
A
I
lot?
know this place. This, an okay amount, like 700 something.
Okay.
Oh, just to get started. Alright, let's do this. Oh man, that guy got 3-piece dinner. This guy's just like, falling from the sky. Rip your leg off, buddy. Get out of here. Oh, you made me break that laundry basket. Yeah, that's alright.
Hey.
There's a passing gas box.
We have to
I
clear
bet you there's.
areas.
Whoa, watch
Oh.
out. You gotta clear the area? Okay.
Yeah.
Our specialty. Crack them.
Doesn't matter. It takes 6 pistol shots.
That thing is Garbo. Definitely gonna have to get some actual guns. What's inside here? Aha, here, read these books if you haven't. If you have read them, then take them with you. We can sell them. We get more. We sell it. Ooh, a t-shirt with red, my favorite color. Now I'll take it and take the paint off of it. Scrap it.
It won't let me.
You can do it. You can do it.
It won't let me.
Come. There you go.
Little bitch.
Little bitch. Wait, this way. And then I have. What's this here? Medical supply garbage. That'd be nice if I took this off. Okay. Clothes. Crap. That's such crap. I'm gonna take that stuff. Take that for sure. Alright. Where do we head now?
It's
I
clear
know we don't go down.
areas.
Oops.
It's clear areas. But it's not done yet.
Oh, it's this way. Here, look, it's this way. Oh, somebody's gonna hit me. Watch out. Oh, man. He thought he got the drop on us for a second there. Look at him.
Thought you had it. I don't even know.
I cracked him right in the back of the head. Might as well get a little more while we're at it. Can always use this for. Oh yeah, you know what? We do need this. A little bit, anyway. Ooh, might as well repair that real quick while we're waiting. Let's rock this.
Ooh, I almost overjumped it.
Hey,
Hey, we already did this house.
I know. That's where I was like, oh, it's this place. We did it for my job. Come on, drop down. Fall on down. Whoa! Usually they like fall all the way to the ground, buddy, like that. Jeez Louise, get the memo.
Done.
That's it. Cool. We got 13762.
So I got
med kit.
iron leg armor.
Iron leg armor, nice.
And you can repair them.
Yeah, the scrap iron.
Is it?
That's the armor. Cool, nice mod. Damn. Alright. You good?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Oh, snap.
I repaired them. Might last a little longer.
Well, I fell. I didn't mean to, but I did. So I'm gonna go all the way down.
I've already done though.
Yeah, go all the way down and head for the exit. Right. Now headed back
Now
to
we
the trader.
go to the trader.
Yum. Headed to the trader.
This one.
Oh no, I don't want to sell that to her. Oh, damn it. Probably sell that too. Alright, but I'm not gonna sell anything today. I don't think. I think we've already checked the
Good
vending
job.
machine.
I
There's
knew you could do it.
nothing good in there. Needle and thread pockets. Learn how to craft clothing double pocket mods. Don't I already know that? Oh yeah, I do. Well, which one? Oh, well, that's worth more. Let's sell it back. Okay, we'll get another job. Buried supplies. Alright, we'll go with this
We
one.
always need someone to handle the tough jobs.
Cabin.
Okay.
Okay.
Be careful and try not to get yourself killed.
I've already. Oh, you got. I see a couple of things. Not really though. I mean, a blade trap would be cool, but we don't even have anything to hook it up anyway. Let's see here. Iron helmet. Double barrel shotgun. 227. That might not be bad actually.
Any good guns?
Not really. Double barrel shotgun. I mean, it's not even that great, but it's
These are blueberries.
If you find any extra medicine out there,
okay.
I'll buy it off of you
No,
for a
can't.
discount.
Yeah,
Can't touch it.
you can't touch anything inside here. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, nothing really good in here. And I think I've already looted her before. I think we have loot respawn turned off, so
What?
yeah, so nothing comes back. You have to loot stuff, loot a place one time and that's it.
That's dumb.
um, and I'm so heavy. Okay, here we are. I just ran across the road to the other side and just got some sand so we can get some more cement going. So we just have some cement and cemented all this. That way they don't come. They don't try to break this again and try to jump up here. Close that all up. I'm gonna cement this all soon once we get it. I also made this. I'm gonna build it all the way up. So that way they come down to one funnel to one doorway and we can handle them together from this one. Then we'll come in here. I'm gonna start working on the little run around into here. And then it'll come down into this area. And carve this out some more. Maybe make it a little deeper. And then, yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Let's come. Oh, we also need to repair the hatches. Nope. Here they
Can't
come.
even dig down over here.
Who? Oh. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Alright, back to what we were doing. I don't know about engine. Nope, I don't think so. Again. Yeah, I don't think we got an engine. Nope. Lame. Oh, I don't even have my cement. Genius. If I help. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Are they getting sturdy over there?
Hmm?
Somebody getting sturdy over there?
Bitch is trying to kill me. There's another one.
Oh, we did get, I did get a bunch of points. I
Here he
spent,
comes.
oh, look, and we have another one. Oh, well, I'll show y'all right now. Let me make sure she's cool. Alright, so, we got up to strength 5. I think I put maybe 2 points into that. I put a point into sexual Tyrannosaurus, another one into pack mule. Or no, maybe I did that earlier. I put one into advanced engineer and one into better barter. Oh, and intellect. No, did I put an intellect? Maybe not. Okay, why does it smell like baby powder around here? What do we got? Yeah, it smells like baby powder around here. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
You're weird.
I'm a weirdo. Okay.
God.
And we have 2 more points to spend, too. Let's go ahead and spend those right now before I forget. So let's
I'm
go
gonna
ahead.
die.
Let's put one. You're gonna die. Right. You're so far out. What is it? Oh, it's just a person? Or
Oh,
a
there's a
zombie?
couple of them. There's 3 of them behind. 4, 5 of them behind us.
What the heck? Well, I guess this is gonna be a beautiful way to end the video. Come here, suckers. Oh, wait a minute. There's a dog, too. Okay, actually, we might need to, in the house. Go into the house. Come in the house. Come in the house. Come in the house.
What?
Hurry up, get in here. Oh,
Load it. Get it in there.
no. But it's too late now. Oh, my goodness. This is crazy.
Not now.
Oh, my
None of
goodness.
these.
Well, that was awesome.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died. No.
No. Oh my.
My
Can't get my
gosh.
shit switched in time. Damn.
Man.
I
Well,
don't know about this route of things.
think you just need to reload your pistol so we can kill this dog and get some meat. Don't close that. Man. Well, almost made it. See what we got inside in time. Too late. And now I'm penalized again. Beautiful way to do it. Well,
Hey, I warned you.
anyways. Yeah, I tried to get you to
Come
come
on behind
inside.
me.
Anyway.
Yeah, but I don't think on a split second like that bullshit. What do you mean inside?
If you would have made it
Like,
inside.
fuck. We should have went straight to the garage. I was way behind.
Straight to the garage, nothing would have saved us in there.
Nothing saved us where we ran.
These hatches could have if you would have hurried.
Yeah, okay. I loaded some more iron up into that sucker.
Anyways, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.